It's just the most unique, amazing experience I've ever had. Such a mass movement of people, love, joy, singing, dancing. I've never experienced anything like it in any country in the world. It's truly unique. No, it's my second time at Irreecha. I brought my family this time with me. I came last year. It was so good. I had to bring them all this year. So I love the culture, I love the food, I love the hospitality, the warmth, I love the singing, the dancing. So I had to bring them all back to see it.
Oh, this just is spectacular. What an amazing opportunity to be with you here to celebrate this fabulous festival of Irreecha in such an amazing setting. I'm blown away by the Ethiopian hospitality, the colours, the vibrancy, the warmth of the people. I have made so many memories that I will cherish for the rest of my days. So thank you. This is my first time at Irreecha, and I will be encouraging all my family and friends to come to here. It's a truly wonderful experience. Festival is about giving thanks with this wonderful peaceful nation, and it's about extending the opportunity and the handship of friendship. So this is very special indeed. Thank you.